Updating your payout destination on Lyft is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment or Payout section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and payout destinations. Step 4. Update your payout destination. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payout information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payout destination has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on Lyft. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.